Jason North. I'm the manager of operations of the Merrill Institute. I've been with Merrill for 26 years now. The Merrill Institute has been in operation since 2011, October. So recently we just celebrated our 10th year of operation. The program offers many benefits to our students. We're inside of a live manufacturing company, 400,000 square foot facility. So our students get to see live manufacturing on a day-to-day basis. So with that being said, they get a good understanding of what career path they're going to go into. So that's a huge benefit there. Some of the many opportunities are, we partner with about 125 companies within our area. We're pretty well known within the mid-Michigan location. So a lot of the companies within our area utilize the Merrill Institute for not just hiring our students, but we also do corporate client training as well. So there's times where we do customized training for companies. Students should expect to come in and work hard, commit to learning. A lot of different things are expected of the students and what their expectations are as well. So they're going to expect to learn a great deal about this industry, about different welding processes, different cutting processes. So we cover a lot of ground in a short period of time. We operate Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30. So it's really like coming into a job for our students. So that's what they should expect. For a student to be successful, they really have to commit and dedicate to the program. For 12 weeks, they really need to live and breathe welding. So the students, with us partnering with several different companies within our area, at the end of the program, we do a thing called the Reverse Job Fair, which is an event where we invite local manufacturers, whether it be local pontoon manufacturers, forestry equipment companies. We invite them in and they get to do pretty much little mini interviews with our students. It's been a very successful event at the end of each program, and we've actually had students get job offers right then and there. So that's one way we can do that. I'm passionate about welding because it's what I choose to do for my career. I got into welding at the age of 19, so I've been doing it now for roughly going on my 29th year. To me, welding is just a fascinating trade because when you can join metals together and you can actually make it stronger than the parent metal, it's a very fascinating field to be into. Also, just the different types of products that we do in the industry, whether it be military work, oil and gas product, locomotive. If you really think about welding in a whole, several different industries use it as part of their business unit. The types of skills taught here are basically all the most common arc welding processes in the industry. We start out with stick electrode. We typically spend about 2.5 to 3 weeks on that alone. Then we get into MIG welding, also known as gas metal arc welding. All position as well. We're not teaching our students just to weld in a flat position. We get into flux core, both self-shielded and gas shielded, all position. Then we get into TIG welding too, not only on carbon steel, but we also get into stainless and aluminum, all position welding. Among the welding processes that we teach, We also get into the thermal cutting processes as well. So oxy-fuel cutting, we use that throughout the whole duration. Plasma art cutting, carbon art cutting. We get into blueprint reading, weld symbol interpretation. So those are all the hard skills, but we also get into the soft skills as well. Effective communication. We do a thing throughout the course, the 12 weeks of mock interviews. So we try to lay scenarios out, what the students are going to encounter when they actually go into an interview for the first time. Technical questions, so we get into things with metallurgy, different effects of gases. So we really get into the science of welding. Some of the funding options that our students can see is we partnered with a company called MiaShare. What that MiaShare does is a income share agreement. So what MiaShare will do is they'll fund the student, they'll defer payments until they obtain employment, and then that's when a payment schedule will start at that point. We're looking to another company as well, it's called Leaf. They have a similar option, and we're going to entertain that idea as well for our students. Students here will receive 4 different certifications, and they are given by the American Welding Society, also known as AWS for short. The students will go through stick electro, they'll get a certification in sheet metal arc welding, they'll get a certification in gas metal arc welding, flux core arc welding, and gas tungsten arc welding. So those credentials alone are nationally recognized, and employers this day and age are very much in favor of hiring somebody who has the knowledge base of what certification testing is, because as time goes on, companies are requiring more and more certified welders opposed to tribal knowledge welders. Instructors are certified weld inspectors and certified weld educators through the American Welding Society. I have been personally a CWI since 2007. I obtained my CWE, Certified Weld Educator, in 2013. I'm also an ASNT Level 2 inspector, visual inspection. I'm also an instructor through the NCCER for core and the welding programs. We prepare our students with not only the hard skills of what we teach here, but we also get into the soft skills as well. So good work ethic, effective communication, being punctual, on time, being here every day. These are all big things that we really focus on with our students, along with